Hey guys, so today I'm gonna change the wheels on my Porsche Cayenne Turbo and just want to show you how to put the work mode if you do have the air suspension. First you need to put the ignition on, don't start the car, and then you have to press and hold this button for a few seconds till you're gonna see two red dots like this. Okay, I think I was holding too long, but anyway, once that's flashing, you're gonna see on the car level control off, and that's flashing. All right, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe.